Greetings. Welcome to Monday Morning Motivation episode number 56. And topic for today is yearly reflections. Let's reflect about the year 2025 and let's leverage the power of three. We are going to reflect on health, wealth, and career. So, in each of these aspects, let's reflect about three things you did well last year and three things you could have done better but you didn't. Let me give you an example. Say, with respect to health, your reflection may be the entire 2025 you drank water every day early in the morning. For example, point number one, maybe you walked at least 5 days a week. So these are things you have done well. Maybe what you could have done better, maybe some of the example, maybe you want to do meditation but you didn't do, you want to reduce weight but you didn't do, whatever it is. But let's reflect on three things you did well last year, three things you could have done better. Same with respect to wealth. When I say reflect, talk about the habits or actions about the wealth. Say, for example, you want to save some money every month but you didn't, or you didn't, thing you did well was you didn't spend on unnecessary things last year. That can be one good thing happened to you with respect to wealth. So you reflect on health, wealth. Same with respect to career. You did some course last year. You completed reading 2 books which helped you in your career. So these are the good things happened to you last year, which you could have improved is you want to work on certain skills which you didn't do. So when you reflect on this, it will give you a lot of clarity. Okay, so once the reflection is over, using the power of 3 on health, wealth, and career, on 3 things which you did well and 3 things which you done better, you get a clarity. And with this, let's write about goals for each of these 3 things for the year 2026. 3 things you want to do well in 2026 with respect to health, wealth, and career. Okay, and generally you will derive these goals from the thing which you didn't do well last year. For example, last year I didn't go for walking. This was a thing which you didn't do well last year. Maybe this year goal will be you want to walk 8,000 or 10,000 steps every single day. Okay, so this is the last week of the year, my friends. Let's reflect and set actionable goals which will help us to have a great living in the year 2026. Wish you all a very happy 2026. See you soon by next week. Thank you. This is Subramanian, Chandramouli, author and sales specialist.